Hi, I'm Dean. We've got another Ford Falcon XR6 FG that we've got here. This is a manual one with 110,000 on it. And as you can see, she's up on the hoist. We're doing diff bushes. The most common failure that we see with these Ford Falcons, even with the relatively low kilometres like this. So if you look under here, you can see we've got the whole rear end of the suspension pulled out of the car. And here's the offending items right here. So we've got this diff bush there. You can see how that's cracked all the way around that edge just there. I mean, it's not cracked all the way through, but that's got to be replaced. Over here we've got another one as well. You can see it's cracked all the way through. That one's absolutely flogged out. And then around the other side here, we've got the big main one in there. We don't even need to move it. You can see that it's clearly cracked all the way through. So what we do with these is we pop the red nolethane bushes in them. I'll show you, we've got one just sitting here. I've got a spare one from last time. We just pop these into them. They are the goods. If you're going to be doing your diff bushes in these, get these ones, because we never replace, whenever I replace them, they're always those black ones. So if you get those red ones, I've never replaced them with those. So that means that they must last a heck of a lot longer than these black ones do. So there we have another Ford Falcon XR6. This one's only got, like I said, 110,000 kilometres, and the diff bushes are flogged out. They just flog out fast. I don't know why. It's just the design of them, just how they are. And you know, we'll get that in the next video. I'll show you how we've replaced them, and we can go from there. But if you're going to try and attempt this job yourself, what you really need to do is you really need to have a hoist so you can get the car up, because you've got to get these main suspension bolts. There's a couple there. You've got to take all this off. You've got to get these off. You've got to be real careful with these. See how it's been marked? You've got to put them back how they come on, and they can damage. And if you damage these when you pull them out, you'll get a horrible vibration through your car and you'll never know what it is. So I know this from experience. And same again up there. You've got to get all this out and drop the exhaust brackets, and we can do it now in sort of half an hour, 40 minutes, because we've done that many of them to get them out, but it's a bit more of a job to get them back in. I'm Dean Argent. Thanks for watching.